Good start, good start. Those calls at first place, followed closely by the Qatar and the Chrysler Jeep. In the black one, close call, followed by Qatar and the Chrysler Jeep. Close call leading up the back, followed by the Qatar. And the lap 2 is going to be the close call, followed by the Qatar. Followed closely by the Chrysler Jeep. Two down. Down the back stretch there goes. We've got a real good race for second place. This will be the end of lap 3. Close call. Qatar. Second follows closely by Chrysler. End of lap 4. We're going to have the close call in first. White flag lap. Ooh, the Qatar takes a hopper. Still maintains second. First taking him to the inside, takes over second place in the Chrysler Jeep. Coming down for a finish will be the close call. And second by the Chrysler Jeep. Third, the car. Bring him in.